Hey guys, what's up? You're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy, an amazing ingredient, amazing drink that would actually stop you from falling sick. Do you actually fall sick here and there? I'm here to stop all of that. This natural ingredient is so amazing. It's a disease fighting agent, and it also make your skin pop up. Do you see that? So when you drink it for this, it helps you for this. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and let's go. Okay guys, so never fall sick again when you drink this amazing drink that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, this would actually help you to boost your immune system. It will help you stay strong throughout the day, and then it will actually help you for your skin, for your eyesight, and if you have those smelly mouths, it would help you equally. Okay, so you see how helpful this is. This is onion. Okay, so we're going to be using a whole lot of this onion. So we're going to be using all of the full onion. Yeah. So when you drink this, you are not going to be falling sick again. Okay. This is an amazing drink. So what I'll do now, I'll blend. Those people who do not actually like to strain out the fiber of their juice, I'm actually going to be making your own drink. Okay, so just watch me. This is actually onion, so what we do now is to sieve it out. This is onion juice. We're done with that. Now the next thing we'll be needing is beetroot. Now beetroot helps so much. It helps you to stay healthy, and it also helps to glow up the skin. Yeah, so drinking beetroot would work in repairing your eyesight and then preventing you from falling sick, because it is great for your liver problem and whatnot. Okay, so since I don't want to keep the beetroot so it will stain my chopboard, I have to be cutting it, and then I'm gonna be putting it in here. So I'm gonna be putting a little water, and then we're going to blend it. Man, this is gonna be a delicious drink, guys. A very delicious drink. It is set. We're gonna be keeping that aside also. We're also gonna be needing carrots. Okay, the vitamins in carrots help so much for the skin, and it also helps you stay healthy and stay strong. Okay, so that's why you actually need carrot. So I'll blend. Okay, so now we're gonna be sieving. Oh yeah, that's right. So I'm gonna be putting just a little here, and then we're gonna be sieving this out. Okay, so our carrot juice is set. The next and very vital ingredient here is watermelon. Now watermelon contains a whole lot of water, so it helps so much for the skin, and it helps you stay away from sickness. It works in reduction of weight loss also. Okay, so I'm gonna be blending this. See why I blend my stuff one after the other? Because my blender is actually very small. Okay guys, so now I'll put just a little here. And then I'll sieve this out. Okay, so this is our watermelon juice, our beetroot, onion, and carrots. So here we have 4 very vital fruit that would keep you away from any sickness whatsoever. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring in the onion, follow suit with a watermelon, put in the carrots, and then okay, so after doing that, then I'll stir, and this is how it looks like. It looks really yummy and it looks really healthy. Okay, so I have another cup here, and I'll stir, and this is how they both look like. Now this one is strained out and this one is not strained out. So this one contains a whole lot of fiber, which in which if you drink it, it's going to actually fill your stomach and stay for at least a longer time compared to this particular one. But for me, I prefer to drink the juice because I want to save myself of chewing all of those fiber. But this is how they look like. Let me test it. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. Okay, so this is why I kind of prefer this, because when I take this I would have to be chewing some of the fiber inside, but it's still good. So go give this a go and you are going to be staying away from sickness for good and forever. So that's it. That's actually how healthy this drink is. It tastes really great. It is so delicious and it does a whole lot of stuff, and the color is amazing. Like, I love it. Okay guys, so if you do find this video interesting, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Yalla.